Hello, I hope you are well in these difficult times. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Maria Ruas and I want to tell you about the International Workshop on Real and Complex Singularities, the traditional meeting in Singularities organized every 2 years by the São Carlos Singularity Group since 1990. We are celebrating this year the 30th anniversary of this series of workshops. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, it was not possible to organize the 60th edition of the workshop here in São Carlos as it was first planned. When that impossibility became clear, the organizers, with the support of the scientific committee, decided to run the workshop as an online virtual meeting to be held in November from 23 to 30. Full details of the meeting can be found at the webpage of the workshop. Let me give you some details of the program. It will include live plenary talks scheduled every day except Sunday from 12 a.m. to 4 p.m. Greenwich time. Sessions of recorded parallel talks organized by topics and a poster session. Abstract for parallel talks and posters can be submitted until October 15. You are invited to record your presentation and send it to us by November 5. The videos will be available on the YouTube channel of the workshop and can be downloaded at any time in the future. We hope very much you will submit an abstract and get involved with the planned activities. We are looking forward to celebrate with you the 30th anniversary of this traditional workshop. Thank you.